Look who's decided to show up today. A Pop Mart box. I am so excited for this one because this one is new release. Mesti korang dah tahu kan benda apa yang I beli kan. So dia release Jumaat lepas. So it took like hari ni hari Sabtu, one day to arrive. I beli dekat live, I beli dekat Pop Mart Malaysia live tu. So it easy lah sebab stok dia dekat Malaysia and it took like 1 to 2 days only to reach to my house lah. So before that, of course, I ada satu lagi packaging yang baru sampai. And kali nak tengok apa yang I beli yang ni, stay tune. Kita akan buka yang ni dulu. So jom kita buka yang ni dulu. You ready? Oh, so this one is bikini bottle, but it is obviously I cannot say this because the TikTok nowadays is very strict and always mute my video. So are you ready, guys? Ta-da! This is bikini bottle. I bought the dead fish one. Out of everything, I choose this dead fish. But it is so cute. Even though it's but it's so cute. Look, it's cute, right? And the fin is wire. Also, the I don't know, the leg also wire. So let's move on to this one. Oh, I can't wait. Let's do the unboxing right now. So are you ready, guys? Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I believe you found me. Yes, you really found me. You found all my money, all my account bank. But I don't mind that. Take my money because this is really cute. And this is the options that you might get. Honestly, for this new release, you found me, I don't care which one that I've got because this is all cute, guys. But I manifest for ghosty and darkness. So guys, are you ready to unbox this little cutie? Let's go. I'm going to close my eyes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that satisfies me. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And there is card inside the box. Tengok dulu, don't tell me. I don't know which one that I've got. I am so nervous, guys. This is legitly nervous. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Aww. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I know which one that I've got. I can feel the texture. This is the peanut. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm right. Oh my god, I've got the peanut. I've got the peanut, guys. She is really cute. Oh my god. This is so Halloweeny. And no wonder the price is a little bit high because the quality though is really high. I would say that it's really high quality. Oh, the eyes can't move. They say they use the new technology for the face up. Maksudnya dia guna macam airbrush macam itulah untuk hasilkan makeup yang macam ni. Dia bukan yang biasa-biasa tu. So this is the bag. Oh, I've got the peanut. So maybe getting one more because I really want ghosty. This is ghosty. Cute kan? Nanti I letak dekat screen. Oh. So guys, this is up close. Dalam mata dia tu ada peanut tau. Kalau nak tengok macam ni, I don't know. Hopefully you can see. Oh, it's so cute. Dan belakang ni macam tu. And this is the tag or loop. Yang baru ni dia ada engrave kat situ. Oh, this is so cute. And this is the card. And her name is, I don't know, Frankie Peanut. So guys, that's it for today's video. Bye.